This year, Harley has come up with their first adventurous touring bike, the Pan America 1250, and what I think is its closest rival, the BMW R1250 GS. Both of these bikes are really competitive and have a lot to offer on the ground. But who should be the best choice? That's the big question here. So let's compare to find the best out of these. The Pan America gets its power from an all-new 1250cc V-twin liquid-cooled engine that gives more power than its BMW rival at 150 horsepower but less torque of 127 Nm than its German rival. The 6-speed gearbox is new that is mated to this new engine, while the German Tourer gets its power from a 1254cc boxer twin engine that churns out 136 horsepower and 142 Nm of torque. Obviously, the power is less but torque is better. In terms of weight, Harley's Pan America is slightly lighter than the German machine. Its curb weight ranges from 242 kg to 253 kg. The BMW weighs around 268 kg, which is almost 15 kg heavier than a fully loaded Pan America. In Pan America, the seat height is 2 cm shorter than R1250. It's 89 cm in a higher position and 87 cm in a lower position. On the other hand, BMW R1250 has a maximum 91 cm seat height and 89 cm minimum. Considering the technical features, both the motorcycles are equipped with various electronic features like TFT display with connectivity, multiple driving modes, cornering ABS, traction control, hill hold, cruise control, and a USB socket for the charger. But apart from these common stuff, the Harley has offered the adaptive height control function, which is first in the motorcycle industry. Now let's talk about the prices. The Pan America models from Harley-Davidson have been priced quite competitively. The Harley-Davidson Pan America has been priced at $17,319 for the base and $19,999 for the special variant. Interestingly, these prices are comparatively lesser than their German rival. The BMW R1250 GS has two variants. The standard base variant comes in at $18,390 with the more expensive GS Adventure starting at $20,840. As in conclusion, the Harley has given a better package under justified amount, making it a better choice than BMW R1250 GS, which has been leading this segment for a long time. Now onwards, the famous BMW Tourer is going to have a tough time.